my friend, welcome to Tech Tutorials YouTube channel, and today in this short video I'm going to show you what is inside Advanced Consulting Accelerator free trial. So I'm going to take you to my screen and log in to the trial account and show you exactly what is inside. Okay, so I'm going to log into consulting.com. As you can see, I'm inside Consulting Accelerator program. Now let's explore and take you back to the screen. Okay, you see here Consulting Accelerator free trial. You'll have this access and then you click continue lessons and then you see actual training program on the week. So first you'll see the week 1, you have full access to the week 1. All the courses like 2 hours. This one is 1 hour 20 minutes. And you'll also get access to the resources. With this free trial, he has the on-some training video, like for example picking your 2.0 niche. You see there are like worksheets. You can download them. You can actually download these documents on the free trial. And week 2, let's go to the week 2. You also have access to until week 2, and you need to upgrade in order to go further. So week 1, week 2, like there are a lot of value here. You can get started with this free trial. So you see what's inside the free trial. You can get so let's count like how many hours of content you'll get in the free trial. So here on the week 1, you have here 6 minutes. This is welcome video, and like 2 hours 30 minutes, 2 hours 30 minutes, and then 1 hour 30 minutes, 4 hours, 5 hours 20 minutes, 5 hours 20 minutes, and then 6 hours 30 minutes, 6 hours 30 minutes, so 7 hours, 8 hours 20 minutes, 8 hours, that's 10 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours. Let's see you on week 2, 11 hours, 12, 13, 16, 17. So you're getting 17 hours of content, premium content for free on the free trial. So if you'd like to watch this content and join the free trial, please check the link on the description I added so you can join the free trial if you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and let me know if you have any thoughts in the comments. I'll be happy to take a look what you are thinking about the free trial. Thanks.